Oh, hello. I was going to ask you some questions about your refrigerator. It's not a prank call, and I'm not. We're not trying to sell you anything. It's need to ask questions. Okay. Is there a light bulb in your refrigerator working properly? Okay. Now, is the refrigerator running? Well, you better go catch it. You catch it with a butterfly net. You run and you just run and you jump and you catch it with the net. Well, I did not say that, but oh, okay, you can hang up. That's okay. That was hang up on me.